Let's get into this. So we have 15 tools that a homeowner should have in their tool arsenal. We have roller frames. So let's start with a 4 or a 6 inch. That's gonna be for your cut lines, right? A good brush. So that's a Purdy Chinex Glide Elite, I believe this one is. Let me see. Yes. And 3-inch sash brush. Get a 3-inch square, not 3-inch sash brush. I use that for a specific project, and the square actually gives you a lot more paint coverage. You know what? There's videos on that. You definitely want a framing hammer. You don't use this for everything. You want a billet, and I said billet. Yes, I did say billet. Torpedo level, because they're gonna stay true a lot better than a cheap piece of crap. Let's be honest. A good drill bit set, you definitely want a hammer drill. The reason why is if you have to go through concrete, stucco, tile, whatever it is, if it's not wood or drywall, you're definitely gonna want to delve into this. Obviously not steel. I don't drill steel with a hammer mode. You're gonna definitely want, I already mentioned this, a good tape measure, a 9-inch roller and its cover, an impact driver. Your batteries are good, you know, come on, you can't have the tool and not the batteries. I'm not even gonna count those as a separate tool because they're really not an oscillating tool. These things are multi-tool, multi-oscillating tool, whatever someone wants to call them, are workhorses, you guys. These will get you out of a bind. They're great additions to your tool arsenal. Make sure you have a carbide tip blade because the teeth wear a lot slower and they cut so much better. A good quality circular saw that matches whatever battery platform you're on. Now I want to say this, you don't need Milwaukee. That is my brand that I use, but you need your batteries to line up on the system. Don't buy separate systems if you can avoid it. It's just more hassle. A double face mallet, preferably with a nylon side and a rubber side, just like I have here, because this guy right here is going to tear up your workpiece with that waffle print right here. Okay, there are more tools in this, obviously, and I don't even rock a super expensive miter saw. That's a 12-inch dual bevel sliding, you know, the whole number miter saw. You guys, these are simple tools, and honestly, if you go and you look for the right sales, the right time of the year, and you're not just hard pressing yourself to spend $10,000 right at once to look like you have money and you can do everything and you're cool. These, I want to say I got this for under 150 bucks. Under 150 bucks. These are a couple $100. I got this actually on a deal for way less than that with several other tools. So watch out for deals, especially the Big Orange store. I'm not affiliated to them, but Home Depot, hey, if you want to sponsor me, shout out and let's get going. Batteries, same thing, stay to the platform, okay? So, why am I saying all this? There's one other tool that I haven't mentioned, a table saw. Why did I go over all of this? Well, actually there's more, there's screwdrivers too. Why did I go all this over and not mention the table saw? I want you guys to get a good basis, a plethora of tasks that you can do before you touch a tool that's as complex and needs to be learned like the table saw. I do not want you losing your fingers. So I'm gonna stop this video right here with a please hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you get notified every time I make a video. Guys, whether you're in the trades or you're a homeowner, I know I geared this towards a homeowner, but if you're starting out in the trades, start panning this and start learning the things that you're gonna need to get in those jobs, because some of you may not make enough at your job and you're gonna have to pull some side jobs. Make sure you have insurance and do it right. You guys, you don't have to rock the finest, but that thing works like a boss. Always read your reviews and always know that there are deals to be had. God bless y'all.